I will also film.
Okay.
On the same street.
Okay. We're good. It's not. We're in a park. This is my friend.
And I'll put the clips side by side.
I'll go.
I think you can
come over here. This is the angle. Okay. This street, Starsky and Hutch, the movie. They drove through here with that new Starsky and Hutch movie with the new fucking Starsky and Hutch movie. This street right here.
Show me the.
From that angle over that way.
Show me the clip on YouTube.
Okay. I can't do it right now, but later. There he is. He didn't know I surprised him with that. But if you guys have seen the Starsky and Hutch movie, the new one, that is it. Ha. Okay, look.
Oh, it's sweeping the ground. You can only get so close to the ground. You can slam it though, and it will touch.
Right.
Oh, I lost it.
Anyway, from about this angle, it's the best way to blog with this phone, but I'm gonna do this is what's called the blog angle, or whatever the hell, B-log, the shit that was the outtakes because it wasn't important. This is the Starsky and Hutch, the new movie. You know, I don't want to talk actors, but this is my friend. I've known him a very long time. 21. I haven't seen him in 21 years. I met him when I was like 15. School. And we were walking by and I just told him, hey, this is that spot. So that's Ace. On this footage, it crashed. Okay, I'll be completely honest with you. I will be editing these videos because there's a lot of them. Anyway, you guys remember the subscriber 13 guy, the whatever? This guy, he lives like on the other side of like the country, literally. Haven't seen him in like 21 years. And I did those videos, so it's that general area anyway. Anyway, he just crashed his drone. It's a park, and there's people at the park. Yay, we're having fun. Anyway.